numbers to make learning fun. Today, mga kamatkada, we will unlock the secret of graphing a linear equation using any 2 points. Get ready, the power of mathematics begins now. Today, I will guide you through graphing a linear equation given any 2 points. Prepare your paper, pen, and magical lines. Let's begin! Our lesson for today is graphing linear equation. Here's our example. Graph each linear equation that passes through the given pair of points 1 and 2, and 3 and 4. Let's plot the first coordinate, 1 and 2. As you move 1 step right, we have x is equals to 1. As you move 2 steps up, you have y is equals to 2. Now, let's plot the next coordinate, 3 and 4. As you move 3 steps right, you have x is equals to 3. As you move 4 steps up, you have y is equals to 4. Draw a line passing through the first coordinate, 1 and 2, and the second coordinate, 3 and 4. Notice that the line moves upward from left to right. This means its slope is positive. And there you have it, mga kamatkada. We'll successfully graph a line using just 2 points.
Mga kamatkada, now that you know how to graph a line manually, let's learn how to use TetaWise AI to make it faster and interactive. TetaWise is like your magical math assistant. But to get accurate results, you need to create a clear prompt. Let me show it. For our step 1, search the TetaWise.ai on Google. For our step 2, state what you want clearly. Tell TetaWise exactly what you want to do. For example, always include the coordinates of the points so TetaWise knows which line to graph. Narrate the steps as a teacher, guiding students to understand each action. This helps you see the process, not just the result, making your learning stronger.
Great job, mga kamatkada! Earlier, you have successfully graphed a line using 2 points. But, what if, instead of being given 2 points, we are given an equation like y is equal to 2x plus 1? How do we find the points to plot on a graph? So let's move on to problem number 2 and learn how to graph y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now we substitute each x into the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Next, we plot each point from the table. We have first coordinate 0 and 1 and coordinate 1 and 3. Let us connect all points with a straight line. This line represents all the solutions to y is equal to 2x plus 1. And there you have it, mga kamatkada. We have successfully graphed a line using the table of values.
Mga kamatkada, now that you know how to graph a line manually, let's learn how to use TetaWise AI to make it faster and interactive. Step 1, search the TetaWise on Google. Step 2, state what you want clearly. Always tell TetaWise exactly what you want. For example, graph the equation y is equals to 2x plus 1 using the table of value. Show any 2 points and plot them on the Cartesian plane. Only focus on creating the table and the graph. Always can edit and decimal. You can even ask TetaWise to explain the steps. For example, narrate the steps as a teacher guiding students to understand each actions. And that's how TetaWise can make graphing a linear equation make faster and easier. Mga kamatkada, remember, the clearer your prompt, the better the result. Think of it as speaking a super smart math buddy.
Practice both manually and with TetaWise. This will make you confident in graphing linear equations every time. Because the power of mathematics lives in you, mga kamatkada!